So you got yourself a C5 Corvette and you're driving it around. You pull into your friend's driveway or you pull into the bank teller, maybe a drive-through window, and you hear an annoying metallic rattle that sounds like a 1980 Dodge Omni, and you're thinking to yourself, this is not acceptable. So I'm going to show you an exhaust fix. I think just about every one of these C5s has an annoying rattle after 50,000 miles or so. That stems from a hanger in the mid part of the exhaust system. So let's get this thing up on the lift. It's a really easy fix, and in my case it eliminated a tremendous rattle that was driving me crazy. So let's get to it. Okay, now we're underneath the Corvette. Here's the front end over here. Dual exhaust comes back to about midway in the vehicle, and we've got the torque tube right here, and the exhaust has these hangers in the middle. And they are these two springs here, which are double springs, and I think from the factory they have like a plastic coat on there, and so they're quiet for, I don't know, 20, 30,000 miles or whatever. But then wherever you get metal on metal, as you know, the engine's got a little bit of vibration to it, and so it's vibrating a little bit, and the metal on metal starts to make a metallic kind of a rattle noise that just drives people nuts. You could replace the springs, probably. I'm sure the General would sell them to you, but you know, it just seems kind of like a defective design to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize another spring here and attach it between the two springs to make sure there's always good solid tension on there, to make sure we don't have a rattle when we're just sitting there idling. So what I'll have to do is take off these two bolts and be able to get at these springs so that I can install this spring in between. This is about, you know, the spring itself is about 1 inch. So, you know, maybe you've got some old exhaust springs. This is from a late 80s GM vehicle that I saved. Or you can get springs like this at Home Depot or Lowe's and maybe get a couple different types to see what would be the right amount to pull those springs in and get that tension on there so you won't get the rattle. So let me take these bolts off and get the spring installed between the two hanger springs. Okay, it does take a little bit of finagling to get it situated, but we've got it looped between the loops here, and what this does, there's just enough tension on there to make sure that these springs are pulled together and that they're not going to be just kind of lightly sitting there ever rattling. So it quiets it up quite a bit, and I think if you go ahead and do this, you'll be pleasantly surprised at the amount of noise reduction you get in your exhaust when you're idling. And the best part is the spring probably cost about $2 or $3 if you don't have one already. Now, one other thing I will point out, if you move forward here to the catalytic converters, when I first got this particular Corvette, there was a really loud, almost like chunks of rocks in a can when I would sit there and if I revved it up a little bit or in certain times idle. And I came underneath the vehicle and just hit the catalytic converter on each one, and on one of them I could hear a clunking when I did that. So I removed the whole exhaust system and then shook it, and I could easily tell that one of the catalytic converters had broken up for whatever reason. And so I cut it off and opened it up, and sure enough, all the catalyst was in clumps inside there. It didn't look like a meltdown. It looked like actually a physical defect, but always check your catalytic converters too if you have any noise. It's real simple to do. Just give them a good shot with your fist or a rubber hammer, and if you hear any rattling in there, that's a sign that they need to be replaced. But the good news is, again, the hanger in the middle here that we just worked on, that is a real easy fix, and I would say give it a shot and then see if your rattle is gone. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, please subscribe and click a thumbs up. Thanks.